Battery drainage in laptops, causes, diagnoses, and solutions. Cause 1. Background applications and processes. Reason. Running multiple applications and background processes consume significant battery power, leading to rapid battery drainage. Diagnosis. Open the Task Manager, Ctrl plus Shift plus EAC, and check for high CPU and memory usage by various applications. Solution. Close unnecessary applications and background processes. Use the End Task function in the Task Manager to terminate resource-intensive programs. Brightness and screen timeout settings. Reason. High screen brightness and extended screen timeout settings can drain the battery quickly. Diagnosis. Check your display settings and observe if the screen brightness is set to maximum and the screen timeout is too long. Solution. Reduce the screen brightness to an optimal level and shorten the screen timeout period to conserve battery power. Cause 3. Battery age and health. Reason. Over time, laptop batteries lose their capacity and efficiency, leading to faster battery drainage. Diagnosis. Check the battery health and capacity using built-in battery diagnostics tools or third-party software. Solution. If the battery health is significantly degraded, consider replacing the battery with a new one. Cause 4. Power-hungry hardware components. Reason. Certain hardware components like dedicated graphics cards and powerful processors consume more power, affecting battery life. Diagnosis. Identify power-hungry hardware components by checking device specifications or using hardware monitoring tools. Solution. Optimize power settings to limit the performance of power-hungry components when running on battery mode. Use integrated graphics instead of dedicated graphics whenever possible. Cause 5. Malware and background activities. Reason. Malware or background activities like automatic updates can lead to unexpected battery drainage. Diagnosis. Run a full system scan using a reputable antivirus program to check for malware. Check for automatic updates running in the background. Solution. Remove any detected malware and disable or schedule automatic updates during specific hours when you are not using the laptop to conserve battery. Cause 6. Power-hungry software and features. Reason. Some software and features, such as animation effects, live wallpapers, and push notifications, consume additional battery power. Diagnosis. Review installed software and disable any unnecessary animations or features. Solution. Disable unnecessary visual effects and features in your operating system settings and applications to reduce power consumption. Cause 7. Poor Wi-Fi and Bluetooth optimization. Reason. Constantly searching for Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices can drain the battery quickly. Diagnosis. Check Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings to see if they are continuously searching for connections. Solution. Disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when not in use or configure them to switch off automatically when the laptop is on battery power. Cause 8. High CPU temperature. Reason. Overheating of the CPU can lead to increased fan activity and battery drainage. Diagnosis. Monitor CPU temperature using software monitoring tools and check if the laptop's fan is running at high speed. Solution. Ensure proper ventilation by using the laptop on a flat, hard surface. Clean the laptop's cooling system regularly to prevent overheating. By understanding the various causes of battery drainage in laptops and implementing the appropriate solutions, you can significantly improve your laptop's battery life and overall performance. Regularly maintaining and optimizing your laptop's power settings and usage habits can help prolong the battery's lifespan and provide a better computing experience on the go. Thanks for watching.